What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a new product for your vehicle. And the cool thing about this, it's not only for Tacomas, it's actually for many other vehicles. So I wanted to go ahead and ask you guys, when is the last time you guys checked your cabin filter? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to change it out. I'm going to show you guys this new product. It is from PureFlow. It is a premium guard cabin air filter. Cool thing about this bad boy, which I'll show you guys, but you can add scents to it. So if you guys do like those little trees and stuff like that, well, this is going to change your game, because this is something you're going to want to go ahead and get. Let's go ahead and change it out, and then I'll show you guys the product. Let's do it. You guys, so of course, one thing that most of us as owners of vehicles just do not check is our cabin filters. So a cabin filter is actually really crucial to check, because whenever you do turn on your AC or anything like that, that's basically what you're breathing in. So if you guys do have a bad or a dirty air filter, you guys are basically breathing in contaminants, and down the road you could probably get sick. So whenever changing it out, you also want to put in a high quality one. And the cool thing about PureFlow is they actually make them in high quality. This one right here that I do have is a premium guard cabin air filter. I've tried this out in the past on my other vehicle, and it actually works. And as stated here, it does have activated charcoal, it does have baking soda and antibacterial technology inside the actual filter. Another cool thing that this company actually made, if you look right here, you're gonna notice they actually have inserts. So what these are different scents, as you can tell. So they have different scents of anything you like that you can actually insert into the actual cabin air filter, which I'll show you guys how to insert it right now when we get to the install. I just want to show you guys outside the truck and the features that this thing has. Like I said, I've tried this out on my car and I really love it. So I know on the truck I'm really going to need it, and I'm really going to love it, because it's going to give the truck a good smell as well. So if you guys do end up wanting to purchase any of this, make sure to check out the description box below. I also wanted to let you guys know, if you guys are a long-time subscriber, you guys do remember I did make a cabin filter install on my Civic a long time ago, and in that one I actually cut up a little tree and put it inside. So nowadays with this new technology, it's going to be nice and professional and super clean. So let's go ahead and pull this out, install it, and show you guys what it's about. All right, you guys, so right when you pull it out, you can tell already that it does have charcoal in it. The little black spots, as you can see it, it's kind of hard to see it, but it is there. That's the activated charcoal that they talk about, and it does have baking soda in it, which kind of helps with the smell, if I'm not mistaken. And it also has antibacterial technology inside of it. So of course, this is a cabin filter. This is how it looks brand new. Right now we'll go ahead and pull out the old one when I show you guys how to install it, but I want to show you guys this thing really quick. Like I was saying in the beginning, there's a bunch of scents that you guys can get, and basically what this does, it has fins inside of it, which I'll pull it out right now, but it has fins inside of it. And on the cabin filter, as you can see, there's a bunch of fins, so it literally just slides right over. So the cool thing about this, if you notice on the top right here, it actually has slits, so that actually helps out as well to not prevent this thing from clogging. It's still going to work as a cabin filter because it also has those same lines in there. Right now we're going to get into the install, but the most hardest part of this whole installation is honestly choosing what scent we're going to be putting, because there's many, and there's actually many more than this. So check out the description box below. Wow. Alright, you guys, so now that I gave you all the information on the new product, and I gave you guys the info that you guys can add some awesome scents, it was super hard, but I ended up going with Tropical Peach for mine. I've never had that scent in my truck, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot, see if it smells good or not. So let's go ahead and hop in the vehicle, and I'll show you guys how to switch it out and how this works. Let's do it. So right when you come on your passenger side, if you guys do have a Tacoma, it's usually in your glove box on your passenger side for most vehicles. But as far as for the Tacoma, this is exactly how you do it. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. You're gonna notice there's like this little door here. So it's gonna say slide up and remove. So you literally just do that. Slide up, as you can tell, and it pops right out just like that. So it's just a little door. And then in here, you're gonna notice there's two tabs, one there and one there. All you do is you bring both of those in, snaps out, and you pull it out just like that. Mine still might be slightly clean. I actually do change these out a lot because like I said, I do go off-road a lot, so I don't want to get sick smelling anything dirty. And as you can tell, even changing this out maybe about a month ago, it's already disgusting. Let's go in the light and show you guys. So as you can tell, this is the color that it actually was, which was white. Right here, it's disgusting, and in real life you can actually see there's like little contaminants inside. There's tree bushes and stuff like that, and that's super disgusting and that's super bad for your lungs. So that's why I said you want to go ahead and go with a high quality cabin air filter, which is the PureFlow. This one here is just a Toyota one, which I don't think it's actually made that good if you look at it carefully compared to this bad boy here. So this is going to go straight to the trash, and we're going to be installing this bad boy right here. All right, you guys, so of course, now that we trashed the old one, now we're going to go ahead and get to the install of the brand new one. So how you know the direction is it's going to actually give you arrows. So you want this facing upwards and in like this. So as you can tell, it only has this white line here and this white line here. Those are going to go inserted like that. So before you actually insert it, if you guys did end up picking up one of the air scents to go with it, you want to go ahead and insert them now. So let me show you how to install it. It's super easy. So you go ahead and pop this right open, and right when you open it, you could already get the scent. So these are actually pretty strong, and like I said, they're supposed to last up to 30 days. So, ooh, wow, that smells good. Okay, so there it is, you guys, as you can tell. So all you literally do is slide it right over. I'm gonna put it probably maybe about right here, and you just squish it in. The reason why is because it has fins, so you just go ahead and squish it in. I believe you can place it anywhere. I'm just kind of placing it off to the side. But as you can tell, it still has fins in there, so the airflow will still be able to go through. This is not going to block anything. And then once you have it in that position, all you do is you slide it right back in, just like that. Once you have it there, then you go ahead and get your cap. Exactly the way you took it off, you go ahead and put it back on, just like that. Damn, it smells good in here. And then you go ahead and get your cover, and same thing, exactly the way you took it off. Now you put it back on. And you're all done. So now all you got to do is, of course, turn on your AC, enjoy the smell and the peace of mind of having a healthy lung. So if you want to go ahead and get yours, make sure to check out the description box below, because I'll make sure to link it. I'll be 100% honest. Go ahead and go outside right now, go to your truck or your car, whatever you have, go check out your cabin filter. If it is dirty, I'd say highly give these guys a shot. Just give them a chance. Try it out once. They don't cost that much, especially if you add on the scent. It's still not that much. And just give them a shot. If you end up liking them, you might stick with them just like me. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. Is here for you. Na, like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.